Hello friends, welcome to my channel that is Future Foundation. Today we will discuss about the monetary policy in India. This is the topics of economics. Okay, so let's start. Definition. Monetary policy is the process by which the monetary authority of a country, generally the central bank, that is Reserve Bank of India, control the supply of money in the economy by exercising its control over interest rates and its stability and achieve higher economic growth. Now, the objective of monetary policy. The first objective is maintain price stability, that is to stable the price, maintain the price stability. Okay, promote economic growth. Next is regulates money supply in the economy, promote saving and investment in the economy, maintain exchange stability, manage the economy during various phases of the business cycle, and the last one is regulation of banking sector. Now, types of monetary policy. Basically, there are two types of monetary policy. First is expansionary and the another one is contractionary. Expansionary monetary policy focuses on increasing money supply. It will facilitate growth in the economy. In contractionary monetary policy focuses on decreasing money supply. It's lead to slow down in the economy. Now the monetary tools. There are different kind of monetary tools that help in regulating the money supply in the economy. First is repo rate, reverse repo rate, bank rate, marginal standing facility, CRR, SLR. I think the basic concept of monetary policy. This is just the introduction. To know more about this chapter, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Also, you can for the regular coaching, you can take the subscription of the course from the Future Foundation page. You can just message us on Instagram or just comment down in the comment section in the YouTube, or we are on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. So for any query you can reach us. Also, in the first video of our YouTube channel, you can take the email ID of our coaching. So thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any query, please let us know. Feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.